How's your aunt?
I feel like Scooby-Doo, like a dog. Eat the bastard Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause he I'll take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl KJ. In today's video, I will be doing my hair, and it's just gonna be like a get ready with me while I do my hair video. So I got my bonnet on, and I'm gonna take this off, slick back my hair, put my hair products in, and then slick back my hair. I'm gonna show y'all this the wig that my sister gave me, right? This the wig. I don't know how long this is. I know my sister, she be getting long weave because she got it like that. I don't. I got a she already wore it, so it's like a hand-me-down wig. And I also washed these my little dookie braids. I washed my hair, yeah, while it was in braids, because you already know I don't even know how to, I don't know how to braid, so cornrows. So put in my leave-in conditioner, and I just gotta put my hair oil, and then yeah. But these are what my braids looking like. They real old. They kind of like a good month old. I just washed them this morning, so yeah. That's what they looking like. They looking real good. Looking real good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. But if you guys like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. And let's go ahead and get straight into it. My braids have gotten longer, y'all. Hang time. So okay, I got the fan on because it got foggy in here, because I'm trying to crimp this hair, and it's cute so far. Like it's giving. Look at that, it's so pretty. They a little stiff, but once I comb them out, they'll be cute. But yeah, so I'm just trying to finish, and it's like really shiny for some reason. I don't know why, but I just wanted to show y'all that part. I want to show y'all that part. Also, y'all, I got this I gotta clean it, it's like sticky, but I got this Revlon crimp iron. Oh, let's see that. Yeah, it's a crimp iron. I really like it. I got it from Amazon. It should be in my storefront, but I'm gonna just finish this hair, this line up here, and then start on this. Okay, start on it. I should just start on it now because it's in the way. And I also got these type of clips from Amazon as well. I don't know if it's in my Amazon storefront. I'm not really sure, but and I tend to take my time with my hairstyles because I be wanting to look right. Like, I have an idea for this look, and I want them to look great, so I take my time, y'all. I'm going hecka slow. Like, I probably could have been done if I was rushing, but I kind of want to take my time. So yeah, and I just got this that there, but I got the heat protector and I just put like a little drop, and I usually just put it everywhere, but I know I did not even put it on this side of the hair because I was trying to hurry up. And I'm using the Got To Be Free Spray. I was using this here, but it wasn't doing it for me, and I know the free spray will hold it, so okay, because I honestly don't have time. Baby hair part. They probably like, you got all these doggone clamps in his head. Yes, I do, honey. Look, y'all see me? I'm straight whipping this doggone bunny back. Okay. Y'all, my arm be hurting. Okay, y'all, so I finally got done with the hair. I did the crimping of the hair off camera, and now I'm just like finna straight up install it. These little things, like this one here, these two, and these three are the baby hairs that I'm gonna cut. And then I need to redo the lace, so I just need to spray it down and redo this top half, like this top part, press it down and just like blend the hair because it's not blended. That's all I need to do. So I'm gonna do that, and while I'm doing that, I'm probably gonna make some TikToks. So right now I'm just gonna put my leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I'm gonna put my hair oil. That's the current one I'm using, and I gotta have my leave-in conditioner. So I did that. Like, okay. The inches on my braids. Let's give it. You could have your way. It's 70%. I was too lazy to get my 90%, so I got my 70% alcohol and a little cotton thing, and I'm just gonna clean my forehead. Okay, y'all, so this the wig. Like I said, I'm done with it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my head and cut the lace on it. The lace already short. Okay, here we go. this side, baby hers. I really like this side. I did an okay job for my first time in a long time. You feel me? Like, it's been a long time since I did a frontal on myself. And better yet, like a 13x6. Well, this is a 13x4 frontal because I ain't see a whole lot. That's how that's gonna go. Okay, and I'm gonna put my scarf on because I just don't have time. I'm gonna put this on there first, and then this is a struggle. Being a Capricorn is a struggle. Like, cause I straight wanna have this laid and slayed, you know, perfect, just perfect. And this is actually a free rig because my sister gave it to me. Yeah, and I'm gonna just go ahead and secure it with this. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and work my magic at the top. Ooh, 444. Alright, y'all. So now I'm gonna just comb it with the rat tail. I mean the Y2 comb, cause I'm not gonna deal with it. The curls are curling, right? And I'm gonna just comb through it, like literally comb through it, cause they crunchy. They crunchy. Is it the worst mistake ever or worst mistake ever? It's giving like a pretty look. I just need to go over this top half because what are you doing? Like, I need this to be laid. You can see like the track a little bit. I need to like pull some of this hair back there, like for real. Okay. Okay. Pull some of that, hide them tracks. You feel me? And let's do this number here. We're gonna do this number here. Do this number here. Okay? Cause girl, what? I feel like I don't need to comb it. I just need to. That's how flat it's going, like. That's how flat it's going, okay? My braids are under this. Okay, so I'm gonna come back right here and just lay it. Okay, just lay that part. Cause I'm doing this myself, y'all. Like, if I had some help, girl, I would definitely be on some. Hey, what's up? But that ain't the case. All right, so now I like this look here where I do that number. Take that off. And then I'm gonna just fix this up here. Like, I'm shocked, y'all. I am shocked. Like, y'all, I'm in shock. Like, all I did was watch a whole lot of videos, but I also knocked this right out the park. Like, I was struggling at first and nervous as hell, okay? Actually, it turned out really cute. Like, on this side, we don't need no. You don't really need nothing. Like, the right side always look better than my left. I don't know why, but my right eyebrow, my right lash. Erica J fluff stuff foaming stuff. Just, I don't know what this is right here. I don't need the fluff stuff. I literally got these edges on my forehead. That's how I like them anyway, so I don't really care. But the fact that these look good, I'm in shock, bro. It looked like my skin just looked really good for some freaking reason. Like I straight like a Barbie doll. I probably pushed something on my freaking camera without knowing, but this is how it look, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So this is what it looks like. Don't look too close, cause this is my first time like achieving this look. And I don't even think she knows she gave me this wig, cause all I could say is, sis, if you watching this video, thank you. But me and her hairline is totally different. So yeah, like this side, I really like this side. I like this side too, but it's just like a whole different level. And then you know the part with the part though, I could just add some concealer just to bring it out a little bit more. Ain't nothing gonna hurt with that one. You feel me? Ain't nothing gonna hurt. Just bring it out a little bit up in here. As you can see, we looking harsh. It be looking harsh for real. Like I be having to tone it down with like a darker color. But let me just show y'all what I did. So I combed it out. Y'all saw me comb it out, and I pressed the top because I really wanted to give that black look out of her look. It's really thick. She actually made this wig herself. And she got some bundles, a lot of bundles. I don't know how many, but yeah. I really wanted some waves, some crimps. So yeah, you can't see this my long black, but and it's like down here. If I would have did my other wigs, it would have been like up here, baby. But yeah. Yeah, girl, like I'm ready for the, it looked like body wave hair, but these are crimps. So yeah, some of them falling. You see that? You see that? That's falling. Now I gotta go to sleep. I gotta go to work in the morning. I gotta go to work in the morning. I'm gonna just spray it though. And then comb it in the morning too. Another phone. Cause what you on, broski? But y'all, let me know how I did. Like on my page, you'll probably see some other hairstyles that I did, but this is, I'll take this apple off because I'm messing it up. But this is like the first time I ever installed a wig and I did this good, especially on the baby hairs, and that you can't really see the lace. Just don't look too close. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, let me know in the comment down below if y'all like this look on me, what I can do better, because I will take all the advice I can. Just don't come for me in the comments, but I will take all the advice, you know, that I will receive from y'all, because your girl need help. I need to start, I've been doing my own hair, but I need to like really start doing my own hair, because I got wigs out the butt in my doggone drawer that I have not used. So this is just a practice run, because I ain't spend no money on this wig. So thank you, sis, once again, if you see this video. The wig come up in the back. yeah, that's how I like it. I like it to come up, but yeah, I got a date tomorrow, so I'm gonna be looking cute this date. So if you guys like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.